students? Okay. What was your home task for today?
Exercise 2.
You should learn new words by heart. Then answer the questions according to the text. Then collect more information about grammar and prepare a presentation. Am I right?
About this.
Right. Okay, let's begin. There are 3 questions. Am I right? Let's begin. You should read the text about Mendel's piece. There are 3 questions with answer. The first question: who is Gregor Mendel? Who wants to answer? Nancy, please.
Gregor Johann Mendel was a biologist and meteorologist.
Okay, nice. Okay, the next question: what do you know about his experiment about bee plants? Who wants to answer? Please.
Mendel worked with 7 characteristics of pea plants: plant's height, root, shape and color, seed shape and color, and flower position and color. Taking seed color as an example, Mendel showed that when a true breeding yellow pea and true breeding green pea were crossbred yellow.
Your task was to collect more information about Gregor Mendel and prepare a presentation about his works. Yes? Who is ready? Who prepared presentation? Amelia, Ryan Beard, and Marquise. Okay, Marquise, begin. Come here.
Who is Gregor Mendel? Gregor John Mendel was born 20 July 1822 and died 6 January 1884. He was a biologist and meteorologist. Gregor Mendel was first just like now just like fathers of genetics. He's a professional who loved to study about plants or pea plants.
You can see he liked plants and flowers, and he studied it.
Students, we checked your home task, and let's begin our new lesson. In order to get the theme, the topic of our new lesson, let's watch the video. Are you ready?
Yes.
Then look at the boat, everybody. Let's watch.
What's in a name? Did you know that Huso, Panthera uncia, and Aquila nipolensis are all species native to Kazakhstan? Perhaps you know these animals better by their common names: the beluga sturgeon, the snow leopard, and the steppe eagle. Have you ever wondered about the origin of these scientific names? It dates all the way back to Aristotle in ancient Greece. Aristotle created the field of taxonomy to describe and organize life forms. The word comes from the ancient Greek words taxis, meaning arrangement, and nomia, meaning method. Early taxonomy was based on the type of organism, a plant, an animal, a bird, or a fish, and the description of its characteristics. Aristotle began to classify living organisms based on their attributes, such as giving birth to live young, laying eggs, and having blood, or not having blood. These attributes roughly equate to the categories mammals, non-mammals, vertebrates, and invertebrates that we use today. Theophrastus, a student of Aristotle's, went on to name around 500 plants and their uses in Historia Plantarum, and as a result, came to be known as the father of botany. In the 18th century, Carl Linnaeus, a Swedish botanist, became the father of modern taxonomy. He changed the way organisms were classified using their class, order, genus, and species, which came to be known as the Linnaean system. He also introduced a standardized binomial naming system in the 18th century, using a 2-part scientific name made up of the genus and a name for that particular species. Today, almost every organism on our planet has a scientific name. However, there are still some places that harbour unknown species, such as the depths of our oceans and our unexplored forests and jungles.
do you think?
It was about a scientist called Carl Linnaeus. He was the father of Taxonomy. He arranged all the types of living things.
Okay, nice answer. What about others?
Maybe is this video about plants, also animals, and
Right, yeah.
how they grow up and structure.
In what words?
And classification, how to classify it.
Right, you are. So our today's theme is called taxonomy. Now, students, open your exercise books and write down the date of today and the theme of our today's lesson. It is called taxonomy. Okay, what does it mean? What is taxonomy? Taxonomy is a branch of science concerned with the classification, especially of organisms. The aim of taxonomy is to describe and organize life forms. This is the classification of Linnaeus system, how he classified the animals. And this is species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom, and domain. You may write down this classification in your exercise books. Okay, students, look at the board. There are some new words for you to learn right after looking to our new topic. And you may find these new words at the end of the group. As usual, find out where this number from. 1B at the end of the group. Find out the words. You good, students? Have you found? 1B. Okay, I will read you words. You will repeat after me with the translations. Okay? The first word, taxonomy. Repeat after me. Taxonomy. What does it mean? Attribute. Attribute. Binomial. Binomial. Classify. Classify. Equate to. Equate to. Genus. Genus. Harbor. Harbor. Invalid. Invalid. Invertebrate. Invertebrate. Optical lens. Optical. Write down all of these words in your dictionary with the translations and transcriptions. I give you 3 minutes. Okay, students, open page number 10. Find out the text, what's in a name. Now we will work with the text. There are some questions according to the text, below the text. First of all, you will listen to the text, then you will read this text. After that, you will answer the questions below the text. Are you ready? Have you found? Okay. Let's listen to the text. Be attentive.
What's in a name? Did you know that Uso, Panthera uncia, and Aquila nipalensis are all species native to Kazakhstan? Perhaps you know these animals better by their common names, the beluga sturgeon, the snow leopard, and the steppe eagle. Scientific names are not often used by the general public, so have you ever wondered about their origin or why every name? Aristotle had a student called Theophrastus who carried on this tradition, going on to name around 500 plants and their uses in Historia Plantarum, and as a result came to be known as the father of botany. It wasn't until the Renaissance and the invention of optical lenses that scientists were able to better observe the characteristics of living things and give even more new species names. Major taxonomists during these periods were Andrea Salaspino, who included over 1,500 plant species in the Plantis in 1583.
Okay, students, let's read this text one by one. Alina, begin.
Did you know that Mussolosu, Panthera, Anka, and Acula nipalensis are all species native to Kazakhstan?
Perhaps you know these animals better by their common names: the beluga, sturgeon, the snow leopard, and the steppe eagle.
Scientific names are not often used by general public. So, have you ever wondered about their origin or why every known species on Earth has a name?
The word all old names became invalid and new names following the laws of the system were given.
In fact, today almost every organism on our planet already has a scientific name.
The first question. Okay, why is Aristotle called the father of science? Who wants to answer? Alina?
Aristotle called him a father of science because he created the field of taxonomy to describe and characterize life forms.
Is she right? How this?
Yes.
Yes, right. Next, the second question. What name did Theophrastus earn for himself? Ian, that's the name.
Is known as the father of botany because he gave name for 500 plants.
Okay, nice answer. And the fourth question. What did John Ray publish and when? Mati, please.
John Ray published details of over 18,500 species in the Metros Taxonomy in 1682 and Global Sweden, where the Chronicle described over 9,000 species in his country.
The last stage of our lesson is feedback. Let's check how well you're doing the quiz material. What did you learn? Are you ready? We'll choose that question. This I will create a quiz for you. The third question. Give the translation of the word classified. Правильно. Nice answer. Классифицировать. And back.
Can I take another attempt, please?
Yes, of course.
Okay. So,
The 10th question. The last question.
what did you learn today?
What did you learn today?
I learned another topic of botany, and how to, like, a way to classify some animals and plants. So that's it.
Okay. You learned about the
I just gained my
classification.
library of biology knowledge.
Yes, right. You are the classification class. Next, pause, Madi, please. Stop. The 9th question. You had this question?
Yes.
Next. The second question. The puzzle of science. Right, you are. Nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Next, once. Gymnast. Yeah. We have only 5 minutes. Let's appreciate each other. How do you think? Who was very active today? Nargis. Who else was very active today? Veronica. Who was more active than Veronica? How do you think? Savchenova, I think. Who else was very active today? Mirvet. Okay. Put excellent marks to these students today. And exercise number 3, page 10. Learning by heart new words and revise all learned material. So the lesson is over. Stand up, students. Goodbye.
Goodbye.